Hey guys, it's Kay. I wanted to make a video for you guys to show you how and when you're gonna remove your second skin wrap after you get a tattoo. This is usually ideal in the shower under warm running water, but for video purposes, I'm just gonna do it right now. So the first step is you will take the edge of the second skin like so and pull down and out. Take it slow. Your skin's going to be sensitive. Just gonna keep peeling that. And it's normal for there to be blood and platelets inside the second skin. All right, there we go. So in your little aftercare kits, there is a vial of soap in each one, and you're going to take this and use this to wash and clean your tattoo. Take it on a towel. Then you're going to gently clean the area to make sure you clean off all the blood and platelets, everything that is your body trying to heal itself. Make sure you clean it up nice and good. That looks good. Next, you're going to grab your aftercare kit, and there is a sample of hustle butter in here, and this stuff is amazing. You can also buy the bigger sizes in the studio, so that's good. Make sure to dry your tattoo with a paper towel. It's best if you use a paper towel because sometimes there can be little fibers on bath towels. You don't want that going into your tattoo. Once that's dry, take your hustle butter. You're going to take the smallest amount. This is very important. Do not drown your tattoos because you can suffocate them and you can clog your pores, causing these little white heads and yourself to break out. You don't want that. So you're going to repeat the steps of the washing, drying, and hustle butter 2 to 3 times a day, and you're going to apply this hustle butter the first up to 5 to 7 days, and then you're going to switch to unscented lotion. If you have any questions, as always, I have my information and QR code on the back of my aftercare kits. You can scan this and it goes straight to the aftercare section of my webpage. And then I put the shop number on here as well. If you have any questions, I'm only a text away. So hopefully this video is helpful for some of you. Until next time.